Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to Sri Lanka. In an attempt to stop the hemorrhage caused by a foreign exchange crisis, the Finance Minister Basu Rajapaksa has slapped a tax on road accidents. The taxing of vehicular accidents is part of a revenue proposal to keep the budget deficit down. The minister views the taxation on vehicles that meet in accidents as a win-win solution, as the initiative will serve as a deterrent to reckless driving and is expected to reduce the number of vehicular accidents. Sri Lanka's roads are among the most dangerous in the world, with over 3,000 fatal car accidents occurring annually. This move by the minister is one of many taxation packages to help revive the economy. Central bank officials have said that the country is facing its worst foreign exchange crisis since the advent of a free economy in 1978. Sri Lanka's economy shrank by a record 3.6% in 2020 because of the pandemic. The word tax is a bad word for almost every nation on the planet, so it is no surprise that Sri Lankans took to the street in protest of the vehicle accident tax and other elaborate taxation packages proposed by the Minister of Finance. The details of the tax plan has not been provided, so knowledge of whether both parties in an accident will be charged or just the guilty party remains unknown. How much of a move the needle will make through the vehicle accident tax is yet to be seen. If this goes well, it could become a best practice adopted by other countries, not the kind of news the average motorist wants to hear. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.